nothing like a wheel you've greased, and it's freewheeling so nicely. A vintage bike, and then when you hold this 3-geared hub thing, that ticking sound is absolutely lovely. And when you used to go down the road and hear that, you don't get that on other bikes. There's something about the sound of this. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, today I'm just working on the pedals. This bike is leftovers from the other parts of the other bike, so I'm just putting it together with bits and pieces. But I want to show you, I got a pedal problem, and I want to just show you what I'm going to do with it.